Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariana Agustin with NPM 2441205. Past Equity 248. We will be present the material business process. Business process are a series of activities carried out in a structured way to achieve certain goals within a company. Each department in the company works together so what product or service can reach customer properly. Business process help companies work in a more organized, efficient, and controlled way. Without clear business process, companies will have difficulty achieving targets and meeting customer needs. In addition, business process make each department understand its duties and responsibilities. With clear task division, work can be completed faster and the risk of mistake can be reduced. Definition of business process. Business process are a series of activities carried out by individuals or certain department within a company to product or service. This process usually begin with receiving customer needs, processing the request, and producing the expect output explanation. A simple example of a business process is when a customer orders food in a restaurant. The process starts when the customer places an order, the kitchen prepares the food, the cashier receives payment, and then the food is served to the customer. From this example, it can be seen that every stake in conduct if the kitchen is late in preparing the food or cashier makes a mistake in payment. Objective of business process. The main objective of business process is to help companies run their operation more effectively and efficiently. Other objectives include saving work time, reducing mistakes, making coordination between department easier, improving the quality of product or service, providing customer satisfaction. If a company has clear process, every employee knows their responsibilities. This makes work faster and improves the final result. In addition, the company can monitor employee performance more easily. If a problem occurs, the company can identify which part needs improvement. Types of business process. Business process are generally divided into the main types. Core process. A core process in the main activity directly related to producing products or providing service to customer. Support process. A support process in an activity that helps the main process run smoothly, such as PR, IT, and administration. Management process is related to planning, controlling, and decision making. Their tips of process are interaction. If one process does not work properly, the entry company operation can be disputed. For example, if the IT department experiences a problem, the online sales process may also be affected for all process in the company must run in balance. Steps of business process usually have several steps, namely input, process, output, feedback. Input is the material or data needs. Process is the activity carried out. Output is the final result. Feedback is the evaluation used to improve the process. For example, in an online store, the input is the customer order. The process includes checking stock and shipping the product. The output is the product arriving to the customer, and the feedback is the customer review. Feedback is very important because it helps the company know whether customers are satisfied or not. If many customers give criticism, the company needs to improve its the process. Example of business process in a company. One example of a business process is the sales process. The step of the sales process usually include customer place an order, the sales department receive the order, the workers prepare the goods, the finance department corrects the invoice. The goods are delivered to the customer. Each department has its own responsibility. If one department is late, the sales process will be delayed and customers may become dissatisfied. Therefore, coordination between departments is very important. The sales, warehouse, finance, and delivery department must work together so that customer orders can be processed on time. Importance of business process. Business processes are important because they help companies become more organized, reduce operational costs, speed up service, increase employees' productivity, increase company profit. Companies with good business process are usually easier to develop because all work in done through a clear system. In addition, companies can compete more effectively because they are able to provide fast and high quality service to customers. Obstacles in business process. In particular, business process often face several obstacles such as lack of communication between departments. Second, data errors. 3, index to technology for employees who do not fully understand their duties. 5, process that are too long. If these obstacles are not fixed immediately, the company may experience loss, work delays, and reduced customer satisfaction. For example, error in stock data may cause the company to sell products that are actually out of stock. This can deception customer and reduce their stars. How to improve business process. There are several ways to improve business process such as using technology, providing employee training, creating clear work standards, evaluating process regularly, reducing accuracy steps. With continuous improvement, companies can work faster, save more costs, and produce better quality results. Companies can also use technology such as cashier application, inventory system, and management software to make business process more modern and efficient. Conclusion. Business processes are an important part of a company because they organize all activities so they run in an orderly and efficient way. Business processes help companies achieve goals improvement, improve service quality, and provide customer satisfaction. The better the business process a company has, the greater its opportunity to grow and compete with other companies. Therefore, every company needs to continuously evaluate and improve its business process in order to meet customer needs and achieve company's goals. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.